I picked up a completely destroyed iPhone 11 Pro Max for less than $10. And honestly, this thing looks beyond saving. The screen is shattered, the frame is bent, the whole body is worn out. But none of that really matters. What actually matters is the motherboard. Because if the motherboard is still alive, this phone can come back. So let's open it up, carefully removing everything. And now we take out the motherboard. This is the moment that decides everything. If it's damaged, the phone is done. But if it's still working, we've got a chance. Looking at it closely, no major damage, no bending. That's a good sign. All right, moment of truth. Let's connect it to a screen. And there it is. It powers on. Not just that, we test the functions. Touch works. System runs smooth. Everything looks normal. So the problem was never the motherboard. It was just the outside. Which means we can rebuild it. So I got a full set of replacement parts. New frame, new screen, everything fresh. Now we put it all back together, piece by piece. And just like that, it starts looking like a real phone again. Everything is installed. Everything is clean. Time to power it on one more time. And perfect! From a completely destroyed phone to a fully working iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is why I always check the motherboard first. Because sometimes what looks like trash on the outside still has real value inside.